Hello friend, Merry Christmas. So welcome to iOS TicTacToe written in ObjC program language. This is Golden Thumb. In last video we implemented the drawing of the two TicTacToe pieces, right? The big X and the O. In this video, let's try to add tap gesture recognizer to the view controller so we can get the user interaction like a tap on the touch screen. Okay, so let's get started. We'll go to the main storyboard to add a tap gesture recognizer. This is similar to what when we implemented TicTacToe in Swift programming language. Okay, so add tap gesture recognizer, this guy, and drag that thing onto the view. Okay, so drag onto the view, and it will not appear on the view. It's here, right? Because this is an action, so it's not the actual view, right? And yeah, and it's not put inside our board view here. You see, it's put here in parallel with the view controller. Okay, now we need to control drag this guy into our view controller. Let's draw the view first, okay? And so hold on, option. We'll draw the view as a property to the header file here. Hold on, option key, click that. Yeah. So we'll control drag this the view to here to create a property. Hold on, control key, control drag here. Release, right? It's an outlet. We can call it board view. Connect. Yeah, you will add a property here, and board view, right? You see the compiler complains, so we need to import a header file, BoardView.h, to quiet the compiler. Yeah. Now we'll control drag this guy, right? Tap gesture recognizer to the implementation file here, this guy. Hold on, option key, click that. Oh, go back. Yeah, so this time we'll control drag this guy to here, right? To create a function here. So hold on, option key, drag, release. The type is UITapGestureRecognizer. Name, we can use drop piece, right? Drop piece. Okay, that's the action. Yeah. So now we can get the information about our finger location from this sender. Let's try to print out that thing, right? And how can we get that? CG point fingertip, right, equals sender. This is the parameter with type UITapGestureRecognizer. Location at in view, right? Location in view. Which view? This view, right? If we go back, this view, we just control dragged the board view into here, so it's our board view. So here is self dot board view, right? This guy. So we can get the fingertip location. Fingertip is a CG point. So if we print out, we'll use NSLog, right? Like that. The format is here. Okay, so fingertip here, and we can put the coordinates, a pair of coordinates right here like that. This one is finger the data fingertip.x and the fingertip.y. Now every time when we touch the screen, we can, what does it complain? Oh, maybe this one. Okay. So now I don't think we need this guy, the main storyboard. So try to run it. So let's touch this part. Okay. Fingertip at 46.5 the x and 39.5 for y. Okay, so what about this one? The x will be bigger, right? Yeah. And y, so here x and y are both big. Yeah, that's great. So but we need to get the logical coordinates of the column and row. Let's do the calculation here. And that's we need the square side, right? The length of the square side. So let's create that. Oh no, self dot view dot bounds dot size dot width divided by 3, right? That's it. And the column will be fingertip.x divided by square side, and the column row will be fingertip.y divided by square side. And is that okay? No, actually I think we needed to add this one here, because our logical coordinate system is different from the iOS one. We use the bottom left as the origin 0. Yeah, origin 0, 0. Let's give it a try. So now we don't print out that. Let's print our column and row. Column and row. So this one will be integer. Let's see. So here will be 0 0, right? Yes. 1 0, 2 0. Great. 0 1. Oh, what about this one? Is it 3 minus that? Wait a minute. So 0 0. Here should be 0 0 1, right? But it's still 0 0. What is wrong with that? Can we do that? How can we is this one okay? Zero 0 0 1 0 2. Yeah, now it works. So we need to gather the integer first, otherwise the 2 will be converted to the CG float and do the calculation. After that it will be converted to int. So that's not what we want. We want to make this out of this one first. Okay, so yeah, that's great. So we'll stop here. We just implemented the tap gesture recognizer, right? So with the colon and the row, in the future we'll use this information to drop the pieces, right? Thank you for watching. See you next